Hello friends, welcome back to yet another simple and powerful strategy by KapekBloom Academy. My name is Ekta and I'm lead strategist at KapekBloom. मेरी हमेशा कोशिश रहती है कि मैं आपको सिंपल और रोबस्ट स्ट्रैटेजीज से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊं ताकि आप उसे समझ सकें, उसे बैक टेस्ट कर सकें और उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करके अच्छा मुनाफा कमा सकें। तो ऐसी ही एक स्ट्रैटेजी से मैं आपको आज इंट्रोड्यूस करवाती हूँ। मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स स्ट्रगल टू कैच शॉर्ट टर्म मोमेंटम स्विंग्स। या तो वो ट्रेड में बहुत जल्दी एंटर कर जाते हैं या फिर ट्रेड में देर से एग्जिट करते हैं और एज अ रिजल्ट मुनाफा नहीं कमा पाते। तो इसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने हिकेनाशी मोमेंटम स्विंग सेटअप स्ट्रैटेजी को डेवलप करा है। इसमें आप हिकेनाशी कैंडल की क्लैरिटी और एक सिंपल ट्रेंड फिल्टर लाइक 10 सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज, 20 सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज के क्रॉसओवर और RSI की कंफर्मेशन के साथ कॉन्फिडेंटली ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। दिस स्ट्रैटेजी हेल्प्स यू आइडेंटिफाई क्लियर ट्रेंड शिफ्ट्स एंड पावरफुल स्विंग मूव्स। अब हम इस स्ट्रैटेजी के एंट्री एंड एग्जिट क्राइटेरिया फॉर लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट ट्रेड समझ लेते हैं। आगे वीडियो में मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि इस स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए आप स्टॉक्स को कैसे स्क्रीन कर सकते हैं। So let's begin by understanding trading rules for long trades. Time frame for the trade we'll choose daily. Candle type we'll use Heikin Ashi, as Heikin Ashi candles are better for identifying and smoothing out long-term trends by reducing market noise. Then comes the entry criteria. There are two simple entry criteria. First is when 10 SMA crosses above 20 SMA. SMA is simple moving average. It gives the uptrend confirmation. Second condition is RSI to be greater than 55 to confirm bullish momentum. Now, if the 10-20 SMA crossover is a bullish Heikin Ashi candle, we can enter the trade at the close of the day, or else we'll wait for the bullish HA candle to occur and then enter the trade on the closing of that day. Now comes the exit criteria. We will exit the trade as soon as we encounter two red Heikin Ashi candles or a red Heikin Ashi candle that closes below 10 SMA. Now we need to put stop loss. If the Heikin Ashi candle closes below the open of trigger candle or recent swing low, we exit the trade. Similarly, let's go through the trading rules for short trades. Time frame remains daily. Candle type is Heikin Ashi candle. Entry criteria is when 10 simple moving average crosses below 20 simple moving average. This will confirm downtrend, and RSI to be less than 45 to confirm bearish momentum. Now, when will we enter? The 10 SMA, 20 SMA crossover is a bearish Heikin Ashi candle. Then we will enter at the close of the day. Else, we'll wait for the bearish Heikin Ashi candle to occur and then enter the trade on that day. Exit criteria: two consecutive green HA candle occurs or a green Heikin Ashi candle that closes above 10 simple moving average. The stop loss in this case is when the Heikin Ashi candle closes above the open of the trigger candle or recent swing high, we exit the trade. आई होप आपको ये रूल समझ आए होंगे। अगर आप उन रूल्स को दोबारा देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज पॉज करिए और उनको अपने पेन एंड पेंसिल से राइट डाउन कर लीजिए। तो चलिए अब हम साथ साथ कुछ और एग्जाम्पल समझ लेते हैं जिससे आपको इस स्ट्रैटेजी की और क्लैरिटी आएगी। So let me explain the strategy with 3 simple examples. For that, let's go to tradingview.com. There we'll choose say Paytm example, and the time frame we'll put as daily. Candle type is Heikin Ashi, and we will choose two indicators. One is RSI and other is MA cross, which is moving average cross. Short MA length will keep 10 and long MA length we are putting 20. No other changes. For RSI, we will use upper band as 55 and lower band as 45, and we don't need a middle band, so we'll unselect it. So now the chart setup is ready, and let's start to identify the conditions. So here is a MA crossover. After that, there are red candles, a green candle, and a green bullish candle. RSI which is 63, so a good condition to enter, and we will mark this. So here is our entry on 11 July, and the exit criteria is 2 consecutive red Heikin Ashi candles or red Heikin Ashi candle closes below 10 SMA. So let's move forward. So next days are good, and now here comes 2 Heikin Ashi candles which are red in color on 31st July. We exit the trade. So now let's convert the Heikin Ashi candles to normal candles to see how much did we gain in this trade. So let's put the price range. We entered at the close of green candle and exited on 31st July. So you see we gained 14% in this trade. So in 20 days we earned around 14% in this trade. So let's take one more example. Let's go to Swaraj Engine. Let's convert the candle to Heikin Ashi candle. Rest of the chart setup remains. MA cross 1020 is there and RSI is also there. So let's start to identify the trade. So here is a bullish crossover and RSI is also greater than 55. We will enter the trade on the next day, which is 13th March. Now here we will exit the trade once we encounter 2 red Heikin Ashis. So this trade was for 22 days. Now let's convert the candle to normal candle to see how much did we gain in this duration. So let's select the price range. So we gained 17% in around 22 days. Another profitable long trade. So now let me give you an example of a short trade. Let's go to MCX. So candle type is Heikin Ashi, daily time frame. And let's identify a short trade. So here you see there is a bearish crossover on 19th Feb. Here a red solid candle came on 24th Feb. So let's mark it as an entry point and we will exit once we encounter 2 green candles, which is happening on 13th March. So for 17 days this trade lasted, and let's convert to normal candle to see how much did we gain in this duration. So we entered here and we exited at the close of candle on 13th March. So we gained around 13% in this trade. Finally, अब हम देखते हैं कि इस स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए हम स्टॉक सिलेक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए मैं आपको charting.com वेबसाइट पे लेकर चलती हूँ और आपको बताती हूँ कि हम स्टॉक सिलेक्शन के लिए क्वेरी कैसे लिख सकते हैं. So let's go to charting.com to build our screener. We go to screens, create your own customized screener. So 2 conditions we have to put here. One is 10 SMA crosses above 20 SMA and RSI to be greater than 55. So I'll make a screener for long trade and you can similarly make a screener for the short trade. So let's come here. So stock passes all of the below filters in. I will put Nifty 500 stocks. You can choose any segment as per your risk appetite. Second condition is 10 SMA crosses above 20 SMA. So it's a Heikin Ashi candle that we're using. And 10 SMA crosses above 20 simple moving average. Candle we have to put is Heikin Ashi close. And second condition is RSI to be greater than 55. So we'll choose RSI greater than number 55. We'll run the scan. As of today, 2 stocks are appearing which are meeting our conditions. Similarly, You can make a screener for the short trade. I hope आपको ये सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी हिकेनाशी मोमेंटम स्विंग सेटअप क्लियर हुई होगी। आप इस रोबस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी को सीख के अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर करें, और अगर अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें। और अगर कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू आस्क। तो अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलते हैं एक और ऐसे एजुकेशनल वीडियो में। टिल देन स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे सेफ।